I love it. This a heated thing?
That's how you control it.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip.
Hey queens, it's your girl Kayana Elise, and we are back with another video. And today I am going luxury apartment hunting. And I'm not necessarily moving, but you know how they say you have to visualize your future? You know, you have to see it before you see it. So me and my boyfriend are going to go basically act like we are living these luxurious lifestyles. We have a whole storyline, y'all. And I will talk to you more about the storyline in the car. I'm running a little late. We had to move our appointment a whole 30 minutes. I'm stressing out. And I know y'all probably like, why is she making content? Because I plan to make this content. I literally planned out that I was gonna make content for this. So I have to go in here looking rich. I'm trying to give money, minus the Chanel bag, because your girl don't even got a Chanel bag. My boyfriend is sitting in the car waiting for me. I know he's so fed up with me, because honestly, believe this or not, I do this all the time. I mean, I'm not no makeup guru for real, so don't be judging how I do makeup. I'm doing what works for me, and this works. It's so crazy because I was the one who was all in the car like yesterday, like, be here at 10, no later than 10. It's 10:30 and look at me. I was talking all that trash. He gonna tell me about myself when I get in the car too. And we actually had 2 places lined up that we were supposed to go to, and because we're late to this one, I probably have to call the other place and tell them we're gonna be like 30 minutes late. I'm annoyed with myself. You had one job, Ty. Okay, y'all, so I told y'all I was gonna tell y'all our storyline and our characters that we're playing today. So I am a TikToker, influencer, motivational speaker, CEO of my own company, which is real life, but like we ain't quite all the way there yet fully, but we there, okay? And you know, I make a lot of money. I'm a millionaire. And my boyfriend, he works in IT. Wait, what is it? You're a software engineer?
Yeah, software developer for Amazon.
He's a software developer for Amazon. And you know, we just got money. So I'm dressed down like business, and I'll show y'all the full fit. Hopefully he can get some videos of me. But you know, he's looking nice. He's looking real good. Like, he got the sweats. He's like a more chill but looking fine with his Nike tech and everything that I bought him for Christmas. He loves it all. But for the storyline, he's my fiance. And do we have kids?
No, we don't have no kids.
We don't have no kids? Okay, no, we don't have kids. HBO, hit me up because I'm about to be giving it everything. Dang, somebody's car getting repo. Oh, poor car. As far as amenities, we have everything on the 24th floor. So the gym, the pool, the game room, we have dining room, conference room, a lounge. It's so much to see up there. So definitely when you get up there, take your time and look around. I'm like so excited. This place is so nice. They have a pet spa. Yeah, Avalons, like they have them all over. Check one out. Now every Avalon is not the same, but this one is really nice. And it has a pet spa if I wanted it. So we're gonna get a dog bait? We gonna get a puppy bait?
Get the little food.
I want a cute puppy though. I've done big dogs. We could do big dogs whenever we get a house. I don't mind Frenchies. But okay, we'll talk. I don't know. What about Yorkie? Why? I love this. I can really feel myself living in something like this. Like, it's so modern. And look at the floors. They got the great floors. I'm like obsessed with great floors. Like, I just need to come home. Just like, you know, like, honey, I'm home. This is nice. This is, and I think this is the 3-bedroom. So this is like the smaller bedroom. Is this the master? This is the bathroom that goes with this one. Oh. I'm not a big fan of like the city. Like, well, I like that it's like a view, but I don't like the view of the city, if that makes sense. So this one is $3,913, 3-bedroom. How many bathrooms? I think it's 3 bathrooms too. Love it. For this one, I don't like the view as much, But I love the floors. And I love the kitchen. And the master bedroom could be a tad bit bigger, but it is a apartment, so I'm not tripping too much. The other one is gonna be really big, a lot bigger. The next one is $8,000, y'all, a month. But yeah, let's get into it. I love it. I love this one. I love this one so much, y'all. Look at this bed. Okay, hold on. It's so much. It's just too much. It's too much to. Oh my god! Like, this is the dream. This. Did you see that? Look at the terrace. This is amazing. Like, I can imagine coming home to this. When I think of being wealthy or being financially free, like, this is the type of home I think of. Look at the terrace. I can imagine having like day parties out there. What are we putting this?
That's an office.
Office?
Yeah, because you can put your studio, you got natural light coming in, and at nighttime you put your ring light up. And
yeah, maybe like a content creation space.
yeah, decorate the walls.
Like, the view don't bother me as much, and it actually has the actual hardware. The bathroom, oh wait, do they have what you call the curtains? I don't have to put the curtains here. They just about to see me naked. Oh my gosh, no, hold on. In here, sorry, I'm all stuck in the shower. What is this? I don't want to turn it on, but like,
It's heated.
this is a heated thing?
Mm-hmm. That's how you control it.
Huh?
That's how you control it.
Oh
You choose your temperature.
I just look so great in this mirror. Oh, this closet is nice. This is so cute. I don't know why, I just like that. It probably will get annoying after a while, but like, I like that. This will be your room if you come stay.
$100 a night.
Even this has a walk-in closet. It doesn't have its own bathroom, but oh wait, is this? Oh, it does have a bathroom. And these, like, I love this. Like, I really love like how much I love this. This house is beautiful. It's amazing. 10 out of 10 for me. $8,000 a month. So it's bread, but we living.
Look at it.
Offering snacks, like, I like the snacks. Bring me the snacks. They give me snacks and water. I love it here already.
You like this floor plan?
This part, I don't have to look at the back wall in the shower. This is nice. Very spacious. They have free yoga classes, y'all. This place is amazing. So we're done apartment hunting. Hopefully I got enough footage for y'all, but so far we like the second apartment. That's our fave, obviously, but the first one is like a decent price for like everything you get in that 3-bedroom. We're not a big fan of this last apartment because we feel like just the scenery, the area it's in, it just gives like me gloomy. Like, I feel like I will feel sad. I want to like see life when I wake up or come out of my apartment. But I love the amenities in there, and I love how they have like resident parties monthly, like wings and game nights and all types of stuff that I think is cool. The pet spa was nice. And also, like, just the apartment itself like didn't, you know, give me that wow factor. Comment below which apartment you think was your favorite. Was it the first one, the second one, or the third one? Because I think I like the second one the best. This is how really delusional, okay? Like, we literally are being delusional, creating our dream world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And as I always say, girls, don't forget to keep it cute, and guys, don't forget to keep it handsome. Bye.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up.